Alright, in today's video, today we're gonna be, this is part 3 of my series, I guess you can say, of me basically trying to make the car look better, you know. Part 1, I guess you can say, was cleaning or restoring my headlights. Part 2 was polishing my rims. Part 3, ladies and gentlemen, we have an ultimate black plastic restore trim. Now this thing is perfect for what I want to do. I want to restore this faded side skirt, this cowl, this other faded side skirt, this trim right here, maybe this one too, and same thing with the other side. Now I haven't really used this product, but today I'm going to be using it for the first time. So what you want to do is always read the back, because what if this stuff doesn't even, like, you know, go on the car. Let's see what it says in the back. So it says Meguiar's Ultimate Black Restore brings a new life to all exterior plastic, vinyl, and rubber trims such as bumpers, moldings, that's what I want to do, door handles, I don't have that, rear view mirror housings, and windshield cowlings. So that's good right there. And then it also says utilize breakthrough UV clear. Oh, there's a clear coat in this? Wait, what? Utilizing breakthrough UV clear coat technology, Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorer significantly outlasts conventional protectants and trim care products. The durable This durable formula dries almost instantly and will not streak when treated surfaces get wet. Oh, yo, that's good actually. Okay, so it says shake well for best results. Apply to a clean, cool, and dry surface. Now that's a problem because right now it's like 86 and it feels like it's 90. So it is hot and I'm sweating. It says apply a small amount on a 100% cotton terry cloth towel or applicator and apply evenly and throughout through the desired area. Wipe off excessive with clean towel. And then it says note, 2 to 3 applications may be needed for neglected areas. Do not apply to glass, obviously, paint, tire threads, leather, motorcycle and bicycle seats and pedals. Don't get it through clothes, don't swallow it, obviously, blah 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 blah. Hey, let's get this shit started. I don't know if this is recommended, but I'm gonna clean the surface first with some alcohol, and then I'm also gonna taper on the places I don't want the restore trim to touch. So I'm gonna be using this tape that I stole from school. Don't worry, I'll give it back. So I'm gonna tape around the edges and then I'm gonna show you what's next. Oh hell nah, bro. Oh hell nah, bro. Hell nah, bro. Hell. Bro, I was gonna use this paint and give you a little cool montage of me putting like the paint, masking it around. Look what the paint did to my car, bro. It literally took off some of my paint. Bro, what? I'm not using this paint no more. Okay, let's see if this stuff works or not. I got this thing right here. I got my black towel. This black one, just because it's probably gonna stain because this stuff's probably black. And it's not, it's white. So, let me grab a little bit. I like how it's already like, look, I thought it was gonna be black. Dog, what the, close the cap. Bro, some of it got in my mouth. I'm gonna rub a little bit on this area. Hey yo, this stuff already looks good. Hold on a minute. What? Nah. Can you guys see this? What? Bro, this stuff's godly. I was not expecting it to be this good. This is like badass. Can you even see? I have to take the camera off the tripod. I kid you not, there's a big difference. Look, see how like matte? Wait. Yeah, you can, look. Right here's the black restore. And then it cuts off right here. And this is the faded 30 one. Not 30, but this is a faded part. Yo, that's dead ass freaking sick. Okay, let me finish doing this whole side skirt. And then we're gonna move to the other one. Hopefully by the time I get over there, it's a lot cooler. Because right now it's hot. One of the main reasons why I'm doing this is because I'm taking a detail class, and the detail class wants me to like do my own projects. So what better way to do a video, do my homework, and you know, see the result. Yo, this thing's good. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. For restoring trim, this thing makes it look brand new, which is why and I will be using this in the future. Now, don't get me started with Meguiar's Boogie Bomb. That thing did not last my car, and I tried it. That thing did not last my car it didn't even last a week, probably because my car is like really dirty or smelly because it's old carpet, and I do want to get new carpet. But that thing didn't even last 2 days, so I don't know, man. This looks so nice, but I don't know how to get like through these crevices in here because it's like fixed right here, the black part. And then like if you can see, there's still like gray areas there. I'm probably gonna have to use like a ear, what are those things you clean with your ears? I forgot. I'll probably use that, or like, I don't know, because I don't want to take it off and then put it back. I don't know. Yeah, we'll move on to something else. But for right now, I need to take a picture of this because it's my homework. Watch it fade through. Ready? The line is gonna disappear. Oh! Yo, Meguiar's though. Meguiar's knows what's up, man. Yo. Thank you for inventing products like these. I don't know if this stuff is safe for the mud guards too, but since it's plastic, I'm gonna give it a little bit of this and restore it. Because it is plastic, right? Sally. And then I feel like blacker mud guards would just look way better. This just looks way better now. Oh no, I missed a spot. Fuck. Oh wait, nah, just don't look up or don't look down. Wait, oh, you still see it. It's like right here. Nah. Oh, right here. I think I should go deeper, but this is with the product on.
Do the whole skirt.
Now, this is the untouched one. Notice how there's no color and it's all faded. Oh wait, I forgot to clean this one too. So I'm gonna clean that and then give it some color. Huh? Okay, so the same thing applies to this side, so I'm gonna do the same thing, rub it on the side skirt, and then it should be good. It should be black, and it should look like it's brand new. Okay, so I did have to wait a little bit for this side to dry up, because you don't want to do it in a panel that's hot. That's what I read from the bottle, so I waited until it got a little darker, so I'm gonna be able to do this side, and then I'm gonna finally be able to do the cowl right here. Maybe some of this trim, I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to test it out. Anyone could do this, and it doesn't take that long, but I do recommend to do it like in the afternoon when it's a lot cooler and your car's not hot, or the parts that you're gonna be doing is not hot. Dude, I hate that. When I was stretching in school, I grunted a little bit. I was like, ugh, and then it sounded like I moaned. I was like, fuck, did like I do that too loud?
I really hope no one heard
Was
me
it
moan.
sus? Like I was just trying to stretch, and then I accidentally like grunt or moan. I like immediately just stopped. Like, nah, man.
I like this because it's kind of like a mist.
Can you pass me the tape? Paste.
Think about
like, ah! Oh, nice catch. Bruh, I got it on my face again. Okay, so next thing on my list I have is the cowl right here. I already masked it. So now I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna have the product on one side and on the other side no product. So I'm gonna see, this thing looks better. So this is what it looks like right now. As you can see, it's just faded, not black. So let's see if that Meguiar's can bring back the color a little bit more on the cowl. On the move. Okay, off the bat, I see a lot. It's darker now, so this stuff is working. This is cool too because it actually gives it like a shine. Pretty sure that has to do something with the clear coat. This is where I put the stuff, and then this side, you can easily tell that side's darker than this side. Yo, that's sick. Let me see if I can get it like this. Can you see the difference? You know what I just realized? I just opened the engine bay, right? And I've noticed that since I'm cleaning the plastic pieces with the Meguiar's Ultimate Black thing, I could potentially clean this too, and like anything else that's plastic in here, just to give it like that nicer, blacker, like new look. Oh no! I'm leaking the green juice. I just noticed that. And I also do want to like clean this engine bay because it is dirty and I don't like how dirty it is. I'm gonna go get Joseph right now and I'm gonna act super sus, bro. Super sus. Let's go try it out. What's good, bro? Joseph, come rate it 1 to 10. Yo, that's a cool angle. I did the cowl, I did the side skirts, the tires. Nah, just playing. You can't do the tires. What? How we looking like, huh? How we look like?
Collar looks darker.
Yeah. You know what else is dark?
My dick. My balls.
Let me see. Side skirts. What about the side skirts?
Dang. You're gonna get me in trouble.
What do you think about the side skirts, huh? Good. Mud flaps?
Oh, you did it?
Yeah.
That one looks like
Oh,
you
I didn't do that one. Yeah, I forgot about that one.
Oh, stupid.
What about this one?
Looks nice. They look new.
You do, right? Not bad, huh?
Just bump.
Sure. You got something else I could detail? Or turn black?
Have a lot.
Like what, daddy?
Just not yet. I'll just detail them later. Is it just for black or